Looks like a school bus. No? So we're right here at the South Frontage Road in Alexander. And we got a massive bus fire. Our first responders hard at work, containing the situation. Good practice for them. I see the doors open, so I imagine the driver was able to escape without injury. Pretty cool. I'm next to the crosswalk. That's what that noise is. Gnarly amount of smoke in the air. Black cloud stretches all the way down there. All the way, residual smoke. So I see there's a tractor trailer stop there. So there could have been a traffic accident that caused the fire. Not really sure, because I didn't see anything. Anyways, that thing doesn't want to go out very easy. And I gotta go to work. Hard-working firefighter. So what is today? Monday morning, December 23rd. I didn't see anything.
Is they all right?
What happened?
We caught the fire on the brakes.
Oh wow, the brakes. The darn brakes caught on fire. Well, I'm glad everybody's okay though.